In this tutorial, I'm going to go over how to set up a custom domain for your website and how to order an SSL certificate for your website. So over here, we want to click on the Options tab. We want to click on Name, Domain, and SSL. Okay. Now, everything's pretty much self-explanatory on this page if you just read through it. Now, right here, this right here is the URL that you can use while designing your website. So if you were to just paste that in the address bar, you would see the website that you're working on. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to go to your domain name registrar, whoever that is. Most people use GoDaddy or Namecheap. Those seem to be the most popular ones. But you're going to have to go into your DNS records and add an A record. That's that first one here. And you go across here. This is the information that you're going to have to add. And you'll also add the second line, which is CNAME. And if you don't know how to do it, you can just get in touch with your domain name registrar and just ask them to add these, and they'll do it for you. Now, to add a secure certificate, once you get these two records added, then this next section will be enabled. And basically it's a green button right here that you click on to order your SSL certificate. Now, it used to be you didn't need an SSL certificate unless you were a store that needed to protect sensitive credit card information. But nowadays, if you don't have a secure certificate, Google and some of the other search engines will penalize you in terms of the rankings that you get in the search engines.